Meyeried Life. I'm combining all of my Christmas market mocktails into one easy video. Festive, cozy, perfect for holiday hosting. These drinks were so fun to create while we were preparing for our upcoming trip through the Christmas markets in Germany, France, and Austria. Let's jump in.
Of all the Christmas markets we're visiting, Freiburg is the one I'm looking forward to most. A bright, festive city at the edge of Germany's Black Forest. Most market drinks are warm and spiced, but this pomegranate lemon fizz is my refreshing, Freiburg inspired twist. In a pitcher, pour 1 cup of pomegranate juice, the juice of 1 lemon, a tablespoon of simple syrup, and a can of club soda. Serve over crushed ice, sprinkle with pomegranate seeds, and you've got a crisp, bubbly sip that's as bright and cheerful as the Freiburg Christmas market. At most Christmas markets, the drinks are warm, cozy mugs of Glühwein, but sometimes you just want a refreshing change. This ginger pear sparkle is inspired by the Strasbourg Christmas market, where bright, fruity flavors meet that old world festive charm. Start by chopping 2 ripe pears and grating some fresh ginger. Then add them to a saucepan with sugar and water and simmer for about 15 minutes. The kitchen smells amazing! Sweet, spicy, and a little bit merry. Strain out the fruit and pour the syrup into a jar. For each drink, I used about a tablespoon of syrup, topped it with that non alcoholic ginger beer, and garnished with a slice of ginger. It's bright, bubbly, and the perfect cold pick me up between market strolls.
Today we are making a cranberry orange spread today. These are all the ingredients we don't use. We put it in the picture.
Great.
After that, we put in the orange. That's nice. It's tasty. But what do you like about it? It's juice.
Munich's Winter Tollwood Festival might be one of the most unique Christmas markets, part art fair, part foodie heaven, and full of festive energy. With all the lights and music, a cozy apple drink like the spiced apple spritz is a perfect warm up. My little helper and I start with apple juice, cinnamon, and brown sugar. Then we heat it up until it's warm and fragrant. Off the heat, we stir in a splash of vanilla. Then scoop it into cups, top with club soda, and a swirl with that cinnamon stick. It's warm, bubbly, and full of Tollwood magic. Perfect for a festive night out in Munich. Nuremberg's Christkindlmarkt is the birthplace of Glühwein, the warm spice drink that fills the air with that unmistakable holiday scent. It's cozy, festive, and one of our favorite memories from visiting the markets a few years ago. This year, my helpers and I made a mocktail version that brings back those cozy flavors. We combined 1 cup of grape juice and 1 cup of zero sugar cranberry juice, added sliced lemon and orange, cinnamon sticks, and a few cloves. We let it simmer on low for about 20 minutes until it smelled like Christmas itself. After straining, I put in some agave syrup, poured it into mugs, and it truly reminded us of Glühwein from Nuremberg, just without the wine. Sweet, spiced, and full of market magic.